How to do crow pose, Kakasana. Let's understand the meaning of Kakasana. Kak means crow, asana means pose or posture. What are the benefits of this pose? It strengthens your wrist, strengthen your shoulders, core muscle, overall strengthen the whole body, and most important, it is a balancing posture. Now, there are many people who should avoid doing this pose. If you have a wrist injury, elbow injury, or a shoulder injury, anything related to arm, please avoid doing this pose. Most important, if you are pregnant, please don't do this pose. So let's start. So we'll be sitting in squat position, Malasana. Now, remember to have a bolster in front of you. Why? If in case you fall from the pose, you're falling on the bolster. It is for your safety. You should not break your teeth or your nose, anything like that. Okay? So, have anything you have at your home. Now, have two blocks. Wooden blocks are the best, but if you don't have wooden, use any block. Now, why we use a block? Because when we are having a height, it's more easy for me to descend. It's more easy for me to go down and balance. From here, you are going to have a gap of aligned with the shoulder distance or slightly more, but make sure it should not be too close, not too far. Now, you have a triceps here. The triceps and the knee should touch with each other. It is something like this. Your knee will be pushing your tricep. Remember. Now, spread your fingers apart and then you will be lifting your heels up. Just try to touch the triceps. That's it. Nothing else. Just try to do this action. This is a preparation. You're not going for the final pose. Just stay here. And then come back. I do it one more time. Watch. I spread my fingers. I stand on my toes. I push it. I just trying to push it in order to prepare. Now the most important part comes here is, when you spread your fingers, you have to lean forward. Without leaning forward, nothing will happen. Okay? When you'll be leaning forward, you'll be going one by one leg up, like this. This is another way of preparation. Now, after when you have done this, we will be going into final position. Again, spread your fingers more as much as possible you can. Lift up. Try to go more forward. Bend your elbows. You have to bend your elbows. And then press it. Don't worry you're falling. If you fall, you have a cushion, bolster, pillow. That's fine. No problem. Until or unless you have a fear, you will never achieve the pose. Understand? Now, from here, lean forward, press the triceps from the knees, and then one by one take the leg up and stay here. Press your fingertips, lift the body up, lift more up, and then stay here into Kakasana, crow pose. Come back. The pose is difficult, it takes time, it needs a practice. But as I've said again, safety and some using of prop is the best way to do the pose. I'll do it last time for you. Spread your fingers, move forward, press the triceps from your knees, one by one leg, and then stay here. And if you fall, no problem. You have a good safety for you. Very important thing. Before I finish, please have a good warm-up of your wrist. your shoulder and your core. Then you perform this pose. The pose is very easy. But make sure you are doing that preparation for at least 10 minutes, something like that, 8 to 10 minutes. I hope you have loved the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.